And at least 2 people are dead after a powerful storm moved through parts of central United States. Tornadoes, strong winds, and hail caused significant damage in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Iowa. A number of homes were destroyed and about 1,000 have been left without power. Officials say the town of Cole, Oklahoma was hit the hardest. Authorities say the extent of the damage is still unclear at this time, as the majority of the state is rural.
You know, the majority of the state of Oklahoma is in rural areas. These rural areas are spread out on dirt roads, on gravel roads, and it makes searching very tedious, meaning we have to go from place to place and walk up driveways and things like that to search these areas. The town of Cole was hit significantly, and there's a lot of infrastructure damage. There were some power lines, significant power lines that were down in that area, blocking state highways as well.